This week in Canberra, I successfully sponsored a motion in the Senate, together with the Independent Senator Nick Xenophon and National Party Senator John Williams, otherwise known as Wacka Williams, to set up a new inquiry looking into banking competition through the Senate Economics References Committee, of which I'm chair. This inquiry is designed to have a pretty thorough examination of the current state of competition in the banking industry, because over the last 2 years a lot's changed. And as an example of that, we've seen the share that the four big banks have in the housing loan market move from about 50% up to 80%. Now that's a pretty heavily concentrated banking market. And so what we want to do is, and the intention of moving this inquiry or holding this inquiry, is to see what the current state of competition is and have a good thorough examination of where the banking industry currently is, what's led to that concentration occurring, and what we can do about opening it up. Because ultimately, if we can get more competition back into the banking market, it can only be a good thing for the millions of Australian home buyers and all the small businesses that need finance to be able to get on and do their jobs and employ people. But also, more than that, because of the impact that the financial industry actually has on the overall economy. And you only have to look at what happened in North America a couple of years ago, what happens when banks go bad. So it's important to make sure that we have a healthy, competitive industry in the banking sector, and that's what this inquiry is all about, and that's why we're holding it. So we're going to get stuck into it and see what we can find out.